Hi everybody, welcome to Sherry's World. And I've got a special recipe for you today, and it's one recipe that I just love to make every fall. Because in the fall, for whatever reason, I crave soup. And that's what I'm gonna do today. So let's get started. This soup I'm making in a crock pot. It's a cinch to make, but it takes forever to wait for it to get done. So it's not something you want to make if you're going to be hungry in the near future. It takes 6 hours for it to heat up, do everything it needs to do inside the crock pot. And as you can see, not very many ingredients that I'm going to make with my particular tortilla soup. It's a chicken taco soup. You can put any kind of ingredient you want in it. So I'm just making the basic. First, I'm gonna stick in the diced chicken. It's raw, don't want to cook it. The onion. Oops. I can get it all out. And green chilies. And a couple tablespoons, or teaspoons, I mean, of minced garlic. Now, I'm gonna put in 16 ounces, which is half of this container here, of chicken broth. Then the enchilada sauce. A fourth of a teaspoon of black pepper. Heaping teaspoon of cumin. You can put in salt if you like, but I have to watch my blood pressure, so I'm not going to put that much more of this different like salt or anything in it. And I'm also using 40% less sodium. Now you put in black beans and corn. And stir it up. This will give me a chance to see if I want to put in any more liquids. Looks pretty good. Then I'm gonna put this on.
Trying to plug this in?
Yeah. And you want to cook that on a low setting. And like I said, it takes 6 hours. So see you in 6 hours. Hello everyone, I'm back. It's 9 hours. I actually waited 9.5 hours just to be sure everything was cooked thoroughly. And I've checked it, everything's done. It smells really spicy, so I'm very interested to see how this turns out. Put some in. For mine, I'm going to put a spoon. You can put whatever kind of toppings or additions you want. I'm going to put in some avocado and some shredded cheddar. And of course, because that's the type of recipe it is, I'm putting in my chips. You can use the long string type of chips if you can find them. Mix it up. Oops. Let's give it a shot. Okay. This is perfect. Yep, like I said, earlier, it has less salt in it. I didn't add any salt, but you don't need it. The cumin and the chili peppers and even the little bit of salt that's in the chips is perfect amount of salt. You don't need extra. This is really good. Has a very taco-like flavor to it as well. Not too spicy. Perfect. And I think you'll like it. Give it a shot. And I'll see you in the next video.